Hi, this is Paul McLellan with this week's video version of Sunday Brunch. And we're going to start the week writing about the 112 gig SerDes that you've just seen here. And this is the eye diagram showing that it's all working. Then the opening keynotes from ARM TechCon about the NEOVERSE, which is their ecosystem around servers. Then it's from July actually, the DARPA Electronic Resurgence Initiative, their workshop on hardware security. And then Jasper User Group, here's the really old logo before Cadence even owned them, about formal verification for post-silicon debug. And then finally on Friday, it's another thing about the Electronic Resurgence Initiative, a program Cadence is involved in called CHIPS, which is about chiplets. Breakfast bites fresh every morning.